Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK and Pilgrim MotorSports. Look what we got here for you, 67. This really is a wolf in sheep's clothing. Looks like a complete classic 67 car, but 400 brake horsepower, 5-speed manual gearbox. Goes like an absolute steam train. But look at it, it looks beautiful. It's got that sort of classic wheels setup on it. That they're a modern wheel, but they look like a classic, so they're a little bit wider. It's got Willwood brakes at the front, as you can see, so it's got the disc brakes. It's also got the disc brakes at the back, Willwoods all round. So great setup for braking, and you need a good setup for the brakes for this car because it goes like an absolute steam train. It really does go well, but beautiful condition, as you can see. It's got all the chrome's in great shape. The paintwork's beautiful, so it really does look like a candy apple 67 Mustang, but with a few more toys on it. Sounds awesome as well. I hate to use that word awesome because it's very American, but it really is superb. The car is in great condition all the way around. The chrome's good. If you look down the sides, it is really lovely and straight. Beautiful all the way down here, all underneath here. Really good all the way around. Good gas cap. Again, it's got the 67 concave back to it, which always donates that. All the chrome's in great shape there. And it's just literally in candy apple red. You know, it's just literally the standard colour that he possibly had when it was new. But a great car. Inside, it's done exactly as it should be for a 67 car. It's got the great interior. It's all in black and all in good condition. These are all new covers that have been put on these seats. As you can see, it's got the Hurst shifter, 5-speed gearbox, even kept the red original steering wheel, which is amazing. It's got a beautiful front to it as well, this car, as you can see. It's got the GT, the pony in the corral with the wings and the fog lights. So it's got the GT look to it as well at the front, which this is all brand new. We restored this car, so we know we did the paint at our factory here, so we know that everything is correct. It's all been sound deadened. It's all been done correctly. So you'd imagine, as you can see, it's all been painted properly, as you'd expect. I mean, it's got a 302 stroked engine, so it's a 347 sitting in there. That's what's giving it all that immense power. Obviously, it's got aluminium heads on it. It's got an alley intake, high current coil and distributor. It's got the Willwood discs all the way around, alley rad with a shroud to get that extra cooling, which is good. MSD ignition. I mean, this car is ready to go wherever you want it to go. But a fabulous car. We enjoyed getting it ready, and it looks absolutely beautiful now. So instead, if you don't want one that's all bright yellow or bright orange or whatever, then this is, as I said earlier, this is the wolf in sheep's clothing. So if you want to come and have a test drive in it, you won't be disappointed. It's fast, very fast. Come and have some fun. Hopefully you'll give us a ring, 01273 493 860. See you soon. We've obviously got a folder with some of the work we did with it as well. You can see here, that was the max output 410 by Alan Mann Racing. I mean, in fairness to them, they know about racing. They've got a few Mustangs that they use the historic series. But here's some of the work that we've done all about the engine, 302 stroker engine, dynoed again with Alan Mann. This was us doing the work on the car, different things we did, put a rear corner on it, so to get rid of any rust whatsoever. So it's all been done correctly. So you can see all the way through the work we've done, all the interior work, absolutely everything. So you've got a whole folder that you can show someone that you can see how it's been done and how it's been looked after. So hopefully you can see us soon. Bye.